BBQ Sandwiches Recipe. Ingredients: chicken 300 grams, bread slices 8, butter 50 grams, mayonnaise 3 tablespoons, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons, lettuce leaves as required, tomatoes 2 slices, salt as required, cucumber 1 sliced, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, coal 1 piece, tikka masala 1 tablespoon, tomato ketchup to serve with. Flatten the chicken pieces with a rolling pin and rub them all over with a mixture of tikka masala, garlic paste, cucumber and salt. Leave for half an hour. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter and cook the chicken until brown and crisp at the edges. Remove the chicken pieces to a large bowl and smoke with coal. Place a piece of glowing coal in a small dish. Stuff the tomatoes in the center of the chicken. Drizzle the salt with oil and cover everything tightly for 5 minutes. Then chop the smoked chicken into pieces and mix with tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. Toast the bread slices. Spread leaf slices first with butter and then the chicken mixture. Top with cucumber, tomato and lettuce leaves and finish the remaining bread. Serve it with tomato ketchup.